Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to boost engagement and automate customer chats? In this video, I will show you how to use ManyChat in 2025. From setting up your account to building your first chatbot, let's go. First of all, what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot automation tool that helps you connect with customers on Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even your website using easy drag and drop tools. Now, create your ManyChat account. Go to manychat.com, click on it, then click the get your account or get your discount tab. Wait a minute. Then sign in with your Facebook and Google account. Click on it and add your Google account from here. You can connect your page or Instagram profile. Now access the ManyChat dashboard. Log into your Instagram account. In the dashboard, overview of automation messages, contacts like that. Sidebar automation, live chat, growth tools, settings, etc. In the settings, you will change your brand name, time zone, and compliance at setup. This is your control center. Make sure you complete your business information and set up basic GDPR compliance settings. Now go to automation section from here. Then click flows, then new flow. Start with a blank flow or template. Add blocks for text messages like hi, how can I help you, quick replies, FAQ, pricing, book now. Images, links, buttons, drag arrows to connect actions. Click publish. Use smart delays to mimic natural conversions and build trust. From automation tab, click keywords or welcome messages. Customize your customize what people see when they first message you. You can add your branding, emojis, and helpful links. Set a default replay for unrecognized messages. Think of this as your 24 hours and 7 days greater. It gives users a great first impression. Website chat widget, Instagram DM triggers, comment to message, messenger QR codes, or reference links. Now go to growth tools from the left sidebar. You can see that tools. Then click new growth tool. Choose your method like pop-up, DM, etc. So ManyChat growth tools. From growth tools, click new growth tool. Choose your method like pop-up or DM. Customize appearance and link it to a flow, embed or publish it. Use these tools to turn followers and website visitors into leads automatically. Monitor conversions in real time, replay manually, or assign to teammates. Track messages, open rates, through, click throughs, and subscriber growth. Go to dashboard, then insights. ManyChat gives you a clear view of how well your bot is working so you can improve your strategy. Final tips, stick to platform rules, use templates for fast setup, upgrade to Pro for SMS, email, and advanced. And that's how you use ManyChat in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment Chatbot Master for a free flow templates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.